Okay, question number 18. Three fixed charges plus q minus 2q and minus q are the vertices of a triangle, equilateral triangle. What is the resultant force on an electron at the center of the triangle? So plus q is here, minus 2q is here, minus q here. Okay, I can draw as a triangle. Okay, what is the resultant force of an electron? Electron is here. Now what will this minus 2q will do? Minus 2q will push this electron like this. Maybe it will push along here. Okay, this minus q will definitely push along d over here. Okay, these two are being pushed like this. Then see, this one electron is getting attracted this way. Now for time being, if you look at it, it appears it is C over here. It is not C for some reason. I'll tell you. First, what we do is, let us write down the what you call the resultant of these two forces. Now see, this is now what we'll do is, this is one here, so you get one force in this direction, you get other force in this direction. I will not be able to add two vectors like this because the two tails are meeting here. So what I will do is, I will just join these two tails here. I'll just join two tails over here. Close this. Okay, so I have an electron. I'll write it separately. So one force is acting like this due to minus q. This will I'll write as a f minus q, and the other one here is acting like this over here. So therefore, the resultant of these two would be midway over here like this. Would be midway over here. But in addition to it, this is also been adding over here. Okay, this is also attracting this. So this vector will not be this much small, right? See, the resultant vector will always be larger than either of these two. Okay, so definitely see, this is this much length, this is lesser than this length, and this is much longer, this is also much lesser than this. So C is definitely not the right answer. B is the right answer, because in addition to this, only if you have these two forces also, C is not the right answer. In addition to this, you have this also, so definitely it should be larger. So B is the right answer. Okay, I hope you get this. If you do not, do ask me, put it in your comment section. I can teach you a little bit more on what is vectors, how do you add two vectors, what is the probabilistic direction of the vectors, how do you determine this. We'll put across one more tutorial. Okay.